the graduate record examination. I think I just got the chills. But despite the name, it's not as scary as it seems, as long as you know how to prepare for it. Hi, I'm Chelsea with EduBirdie. The GRE is a standardized test that thousands of graduate schools use for admissions and fellowship decisions, specifically for master's and doctoral degree programs. It's owned and administered by the Educational Testing Service, or the ETS. Luckily, EduBirdie is here to help you with some tips and tricks to prepare for it. We always want to shoot for a high score, but sometimes it is helpful to know the minimum score you need to pass. That's your baseline. Once you know what score you have to get on the test, then you can set a goal for the score you want to get. The GRE can be long and grueling, and the testing environment may throw you off. That's why it's important to take a practice test before doing the actual thing. That way you won't be thrown off by your location or the length of the test. You can find many GRE practice tests online, such as through the ETS website. If you are struggling to get a higher score on the test, or you're not sure your self-studying is enough, that's okay. There are plenty of other options. Consider enrolling in a GRE prep course, an online program, or using a GRE prep book. Then make a study plan, such as planning out when you will choose to study and for how long. If you've already taken a practice test, you can include things in your plan like trying to mimic the environment you will be in for your test. Like you would feed your body to keep it healthy, your mind is similar. So consider feeding your mind by reading. The GRE has a verbal section, so reading books, especially in the nonfiction genre, may help you out. You may even consider reading about a completely different subject than what you are studying. That's okay. You're still working out your brain's muscles. As you continue to study for the GRE exam, keep track of your improvements. Write down practice exams you take, your previous scores for each subject, and then work on improving the lower scoring areas. If you aren't seeing much progress, it may be time to reconsider your previous study habits. Maybe you need to start setting a better study plan, but you won't know that unless you keep track. You can even use the code YouTube10 to get 10% off for your next order with EduBirdie. For more tips and tricks in hundreds of different areas of study, check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.